Hello,
Yes, bro.
hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
Yes, good, Alhamdulillah. How are you? What about you?
Yeah, so good.
Yeah.
What's your topic?
So today we are discuss about the VLAN. Okay, so we started now. So VLAN is the virtual local area network. Okay,
Okay.
VLAN using on the switch, any switch. Suppose that there are lot of vendor leading
Mm,
in the market. Suppose that Cisco, Juniper, Hawaii, HP, Dell, Lenovo. It means the lot of vendor leading, okay, making the
okay.
switch. So we can configuration VLAN on the any switch, okay. So you
Okay.
also know about the switch. What is the working function of the switch? What is the working
Yeah.
principle of the switch? You also know, right?
Yes,
So
right.
yeah, so we are configuring VLAN. We are creating the VLAN on the switch because suppose that just 1 second. Give you overview about just open the pen. 1 minute. I tell you. Mm, suppose that uh no, this is not the best. Okay, no problem. And this is the PC. Okay, bro. This is the switch, and just right here. With that, suppose that this is switch, and this is PC. Okay.
Okay.
So suppose that just 1 second. Connect this PC to this switch. Okay. Suppose that this and also connected one PC. There are two PC connected from the switch. Okay. And one here, here to here also connected. So this PC, suppose that this PC send the data from that PC. Okay. So
Okay.
suppose that this is the source, this is the destination. So how can reach the data? How to transmit? So suppose that this PC IP address 192.168.10 and that PC IP address 192.168.10.20. Okay. Suppose that
Okay.
this switch is the 24 port. Yeah, 48 port, yeah, 16 port. There are a lot of port each defined. Okay.
Okay.
So suppose that send the data at that time broadcast. Suppose that this switch is 16 port, 16, yeah, 24 port. So suppose that this PC will be send the data from there. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
that time broadcast on the all the port. This PC suppose this PC transmit the data there. That time broadcast on the all the switch port. Suppose that port number 1, port number 2, port number 3, port number 5, every port. Okay. So
Okay.
it means the it will be issue will be came on the traffic. Okay. So
Traffic.
traffic consume. Suppose that if you create the separate network, uh, defined, it means the defined the separate category. Okay, suppose that category define, suppose that sales team, management team, and different team. There are a lot of team. Okay, so suppose that
Mm,
define the different team. That time we did not get the issue. Otherwise, suppose that we did not create the VLAN and we did not create the VLAN on the switch, that time traffic will be going difficult. Okay, so that's
Okay.
why we are creating the VLAN on the switch. Okay,
Okay.
bro.
So
So just yeah.
purpose of
So one
creating the
second.
VLAN to avoid the traffic.
Yeah, avoid the traffic and data will be share the separate VLAN through the separate VLAN. So we don't go to the suppose that. So just I give you overview about we can understanding the VLAN virtual local area networks, enhance network
Hmm.
segmentation and efficiency. We can enhance. Suppose that we create the VLAN, that time we enhance the virtual
Network.
local area network, yeah, and segmentation also. And what
Okay.
is the VLAN? We will study about the what is the VLAN. Okay, why VLAN are used in the networking? What is the key benefits and
Benefits.
segmentation, security and broadcast? We will study about that topic. uh, Type of the VLAN, how many type of VLAN? Statics VLAN,
Static and
dynamic
dynamic.
VLAN, voice VLAN. So what is the statics VLAN, what is the dynamic VLAN, what is the voice VLAN, where we are
Clear.
using the VLAN, voice VLAN and statics VLAN and dynamic VLAN? So we will study about briefly about that. And go to next slide. We also discuss
Static.
about the what is the advantage of the VLAN. What,
Okay.
sorry, you asking me? Hello?
Actually, I am asking
Hello?
you the static, dynamic, and voice VLAN. So you
Yeah, so
will.
I will explain later briefly what is the
Okay.
statics VLAN, what is the dynamic
Okay.
VLAN,
You
and
are
what
just
is the
giving
voice VLAN.
the overview.
Yeah, yeah, I will
You
give
are
you
just
overview.
giving the
Don't
overview.
worry. Yeah, I will give you overview. Oh, about that. And we will also cover about the this session VLAN advantage. What is the VLAN advantage? Improve the network performance and enhance the security system, simplify the management and reduce the broadcast
From.
domain. We also cover about that in this session.
Okay.
And we also gonna study about the VLAN configuration, basic switch port, mode, access port, trunk, and VLAN, native VLAN. Okay, so all the things we
Hmm.
will cover. We also study about access port. What is that? What it means? The trunk, and also we will access port, where we are using the access port and where we will use the trunk port. So we also study about both. Okay, and we also configure the access port and trunk port on the switch. This is the command, and that time we will configure the VLAN. We can use the we can use this
Con-
yeah this command on the switch. Then we are able to configure the switch. Without switch we cannot if you want to configure the VLAN, yeah, create suppose that any VLAN we can create to. There are two type of process. One is the, suppose that if you want to log in the switch, so you need to require uh, a CLI mode. Yeah, you can use GUI.
Which
Okay,
right.
so see if you log in the switch on the CLI, then you should be SSH, yeah, telnet should be configured on the switch. If you not the configure on the switch SSH as telnet, we cannot able to access remotely. Otherwise, you
Okay.
can access through the console cable. Okay, directly you connect the laptop to the switch
With
through the console cable, and you directly connect to the this software. This is the putty software, so you should be installed before connectivity the switch to your laptop. Before you should be install this software, putty software. You go to any browser, so suppose that Google Chrome browser, Mozilla, any browser you can go, and you are able to download this software. Only right there on the putty download, and you are able to download this software. Okay, and after downloading, you connect the laptop to the laptop to your switch, and where you will connect on the switch. So you will find there console port. Okay, and console cable also required, because without console cable we cannot able to connect the laptop to switch. Okay,
Switch,
so
right.
we firstly need the console cable. Okay, and then you connect, your connectivity has done, then you just click here serial port, and you click the where you can check you go to laptop device manager, go to a device, and you go to device manager, and you can see there serial port. And just I show you where you will see you will see here which serial port your laptop using USB. Here there is using for USB port number 3. Okay, so you can
Okay.
assign universal serial bus controller. So same, you can just put there,
Mm-hmm.
same like that, put serial number 3, and you click the open. After that you are able to log in the switch on the CLI mode. Okay, and if you want
Okay.
to support that login on the GLI mode, then you need to be configure first IP address on the switch. Without IP configuration we cannot able to the login the switch on the
Browser.
GUI mode. Okay, GUI means graphic user interface. Okay, you cannot able
Right.
to log in on the any browser. Yeah, Internet Explorer, yeah, Mozilla, yeah, Chrome, yeah, browser, yeah, Google. Okay, so you can just keep the IP address here, and you are able to see the interface, and then you will put the username and password, and then you will get the dashboard, and you are able to configure the switch. Okay, so you getting the my
Okay.
point, right?
Yeah, I'm getting.
Okay, so we just we go to next slide, and we are discuss about the local area network. What is the local area network? You know about the local area network.
Yes, yes, I.
Local area network, yeah, LAN means local area network. Okay, local area
Same.
network was also originally defined the network of computer located within the same area. So local area network are defined as a single broadcast domain. This
Okay.
means that if a user broadcast information on his shared LAN broadcast, we will receive by the way every other's user on the LAN. And broadcast are also events from the living and the land by using of the router. And so it means that suppose that you have a small, you have a suppose that local connectivity. Suppose that just I give you example. Suppose that you have a one building. Okay, and and only your connectivity. Suppose that you have a 3 floor or 4 floor your building. Okay, so you
Mm-hmm.
connected. Yeah, you have a connectivity the locally. You did not connect to one building to another building. Okay, you have
Okay.
a internal connectivity. You have a internal connectivity, and you communicate, you share the data, you transfer, you are able to transfer the data, anything, everything locally. You cannot reach to out of local network. So that is called the local area network. Okay, bro. If you go to
Okay.
suppose that out of network, okay, out of local network, then you are
One
able
pen.
to connect the, yeah, local network. It means the wide area network. Suppose that wide area network. Suppose that you connect to the one building to another building. Okay, so you are able to connect to the
With the help
local area
of
to
router.
wide area
It will
network.
the
Yeah,
connectivity
one
will be
building to
done.
another building. Sorry.
Connectivity will be done with
Yeah,
router.
connectivity between one building to another building. Suppose the distance maybe, I think, no matter distance. Suppose that you connect to one building to another building, multiple buildings. Suppose that you have a branch in the one branch in the Delhi, one branch in the Mumbai, one branch in the
The
Bhopal.
one more
So
device we have to place, na.
yeah, so suppose that you have a multiple branch, and you can
Okay.
connect it. Okay. Yeah. So you understand, right?
Right.
So also we can see here VLAN. You can see also here a VLAN is a logical group of the network device and affairs to be on the same
Same
LAN,
then.
okay, and configure as if they are attached to the same physical connection and even if they are located on the number of different LAN segment. Suppose there are I will explain you how to do that and okay, so I give you this. Suppose you see this.
Yeah, I can see.
This is the this is the VLAN segment. Okay, you see this diagram, right? This is the catalyst switch and this is also catalyst switch and this catalyst switch is connected to there are three PC VLAN 1
Cat
VLAN 2 VLAN 3 VLAN 1 VLAN 2 VLAN 3 and we created three VLAN on the this switch, okay,
Bro,
and
please
we
explain the
also
catalyst. What does it mean, catalyst VLAN? Catalyst
catalyst,
VLAN?
this is the Cisco model catalyst switch, you know.
Okay, okay. No,
Yeah,
no,
this
I
is the
don't know.
model. Catalyst is the model. I will show you later. Okay, this is the
Yeah.
Catalyst 3000, Catalyst
Mm,
9000, Catalyst 95,000, Catalyst 8000. This is the Cisco switch series. Okay,
okay,
so yeah, there are a lot of series of the Cisco Catalyst switch, and so yeah, so same like that we configure. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, this one. Just as supported, you see here, this is the supported catalyst 5000, catalyst 5000, catalyst
O-
5000. Okay. And this is the engineering department. This is the marketing department. This is the account department. So
mm,
engineering villain, marketing villain, accounting villain. There are three villain. Okay.
o-
Yeah. So go to next slide and we will configure VLAN and description, a static VLAN and dynamic VLAN. What is the difference between of the static VLAN and the dynamic VLAN? Okay. So a
Static
static
means
VLAN, uh,
same.
yeah, network administrator configuration port by port. Okay. Network administrators configuration port by port and each port is associated with the specific VLAN.
मतलब
It means
मतलब हर
the
पोर्ट है
each
ना एक
port, yeah,
स्पेसिफिक VLAN बन सकती है.
each port is associated with the specific VLAN. The network
Uh,
administrator responsible for the laying in the mapping the between the port and VLAN. Okay, so I will tell you how to configure on the switch and I will show that also. So you see, right?
yes. Dynamic VLAN. It will change.
Yeah, this is the dynamic VLAN. Okay, dynamic membership VLAN are the created through the network management software. Dynamic VLAN allow dynamic VLAN allow for the membership based on the MAC address of the device connected to the switch port. As a device enter the network,
It queries a
this is the
database.
dynamic VLAN. Yeah, yeah. So we can communicate. Suppose that we create the dynamic VLAN on the switch. Suppose that VLAN 1, VLAN 2, VLAN 3, and we also created on the other switch VLAN 1, VLAN 2, VLAN 3. And now
Mm,
we create the this port. This port is the trunk port. Okay. VLAN 1, VLAN 2, VLAN 3. Supported VLAN 1, VLAN 2, VLAN 3. This this port traffic will be transferred that switch. Okay. And there is
okay.
also VLAN 1, VLAN 3. And this port and now so we can this port is the access port. This port and this port is the access port, and that this that port is the trunk port. Okay, bro.
Trunk port. Can you explain the trunk port?
Yeah, that port is the trunk port. So I will say, I will show you. So now we will go to configuration, and I will configuration on the putty, and you also see VLAN trunk. Yeah, this one. This is the trunk port, bro. You see this VLAN trunking in the switch network is the trunk point to point link that is the support the several VLAN. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, this one port, this one trunk, and this one also trunk. Supported this VLAN 1, VLAN 2, VLAN 3. Here also VLAN 1, VLAN 2, VLAN 3. This 3 VLAN data will be transferred on the another switch, and this 3 VLAN data will be transferred there. Suppose that this I want to ping this VLAN 1 will be ping there, VLAN 2. So
Okay.
if data will be transferred, that time should we configure this switch the VLAN.
Okay.
Yeah. So you see frame filtering, and we also see here which switch how much VLAN we can configure. Suppose that we have a catalyst 2950 series 2950. So we are able to configure the maximum
64.
number of VLAN 64. Catalyst 955024 port. We are able to configure the number of VLAN 64 maximum. So
Okay.
the this yeah, this model is support 250. Catalyst 2950, this model is support 250. So there are different model on the switch, and also supporting the different VLAN on the switch. Okay, bro. So
Okay.
now we leave it, and we will go to the Cisco packet tracer, and we are able to configure the VLAN. So I just open the VLAN. 1 second. Where is my Cisco packet tracer? Just open it and show you. So this is the Cisco. Here we can
Cisco
able
packet
to
tracer.
configure. Yeah, we here we where we can configure the VLAN on the switch. So we select the switch. You see here
Oh.
2960 series. Yeah, tell.
Okay. Your voice
Hello.
was slow, but now is
Yeah,
clear.
now I am audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. So you see my screen, right?
Right.
Okay. So you see also here the switch 2960 series, 3560 series, 3560 series. So just I suppose that I click this switch. This is the multi-layer switch. Okay, bro.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So we also suppose that I connect two switch, and I connected two switch, and 1 second. I also connect two PC. I connect three PC from this switch. I also connect three PC from there. Okay, bro. So
Okay.
I connect the this PC from there, and this is the access switch, bro.
Yes.
Yeah, this connected to there by this is the local connectivity. So this we will configure the this port for access access port. Okay,
Okay.
and we configure this port is the trunk port. Okay,
Trunk port means one switch to another switch connectivity.
yeah, suppose that if you have the multiple traffic, then should we configure the trunk port?
Trunk.
Without trunk port we cannot we cannot uh, transfer the multiple traffic.
Multiple data.
Yeah, how to travel the data without trunk port. Suppose that we have a VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. So suppose that
Hmm.
I just we have a 3 PC connected from this switch, and we also connected the 3 PC from that switch. Okay, there are this topology. We have a two switch 1, switch 2. Okay,
Hmm.
so uh, we configure here 1 second, and we configure here VLAN 20, VLAN 10.
ब्रो एक चीज और बताओ मुझे,
Hello,
एक चीज
yeah,
बताओ।
tell.
जैसे हमारे एक स्विच से ये 3 पीसी है, तो हम सपोज करो कि ये 3 डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वीलैन है,
हाँ जी,
तो फिर
क्या बोल रहे
ये
हैं, फिर से
और
बोलिए।
अभी जैसे स्विच 1 है हमारा, इस पे 3 पीसी कनेक्टेड है,
हाँ जी,
तो तीनों पीसी की
ओके,
डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वीलैन है,
ओके,
और तो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डेटा ट्रेवल करेगा ये सिंगल उस पे जो ट्रंक बनाया है आपने, वन स्विच टू अनदर
नहीं
स्विच।
अभी मैं आपको, ओके, ओके, मैं बता रहे हैं। अभी आपका कहना यह है कि सपोज डेट VLAN 10 है, VLAन 20 है, VLAN 30 है, राइट। सपोज डेट
राइट।
मैंने क्रिएट किया VLAN इस स्विच पे। ओके, सपोज डेट मैंने इसको नाम दे दिया स्विच नंबर, मैंने नाम इसको दे दिया स्विच 1। ओके, मैंने
ओके।
नाम इसको दे दिया स्विच 2। ओके, मैंने इसको
ओके।
नाम दे दिया स्विच 2। ठीक है, अभी मैंने इसको नाम दे दिया VLAN 3। मैंने इसको नाम दे दिया VLAN 20। तो अभी क्या होगा देखिए, अभी यहाँ पे
हम्म।
एक्चुअली क्या होगा कि मैंने सपोर्टेड इस पे क्रिएट किया VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAन 30, और ऑल्सो
हम्म।
we create VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, okay, on the
ओके।
same VLAN. Yeah, you want to, if you want to create the different VLAN, no issue, you also able to create the different VLAN on the different switch. Okay, but
ओके।
defined the which type of topology you have on the your network. Okay, and what you have required actual. So
हम्म।
same like that you can create, you can create the VLAN. Okay, so
हम्म।
you can also create supported different VLAN. Suppose that we created this VLAN. 1 second, just click there, and suppose that I created this VLAN for suppose that I sales. Okay, sales team. I created this VLAN sales team. I created
ओके।
this VLAN HR team. Okay,
हम्म।
20. I created this VLAN supported management. Okay,
हम्म।
same like that we create here supported sales, and you create here supported HR, and you create here supported VLAN 30 for supported management. Okay,
ओके।
Okay, bro. So now, now we are creating here. Now we can we are able to configure switch number first. First we are configuring switch number first. Okay. So just click here. Just click on the switch. 1 second. What? Why it is not open? Not open. Maybe my just 1 second. What is this? This close it and this open it. Shit, why not open? One second. This open. Okay, now open. Okay. So I delete
Okay.
this one. Yeah. I delete this one. Just open it and go to CLI mode. Okay. And just no. And just go to enable. First, if you configure the switch that time, you connect this switch from your laptop. Yeah, you can. I also explain about that because suppose that we are configure the switch that time you require telnet SSH yeah console. Okay.
Right. You have already.
Yeah.
We have already
Yeah,
discussed.
because without SSH or telnet, we are not able to access the switch. Okay. So now, right now, we did not connect the any. We are not access the switch by SSH or telnet because right now we are accessly direct locally. Okay. So
Okay.
now we are go to CLI mode and first suppose that same like that. Then you log in the switch on the physical. Then you will
command is
see same this one. Okay.
okay.
And just if you suppose that there is also configure username and password, then you can first put the username and password, then you are able to this mode and just click here enable. After that you go to configuration terminal. Okay, bro.
Sorry,
After that,
bro. You
hello. Yeah,
tell me the command. The first command is we have to
first
write the in
suppose that
table.
right now you will see same this one switch. This is the
Hmm.
enable. First is the enable mode. Okay.
Okay.
After that we are going to here privilege mode. So
Terminal.
privilege mode, yeah, privilege mode. Privilege mode, we are not able to configure the switch. Only we can see here the suppose that if you want to see what is the configuration running in my switch, so you can suppose that see the put the command show run. So run.
So
So
run.
now we yeah so run so we can
Then
see command.
enter
What
all port
so run
status.
just put it there so run and keep the press the enter. Then you are able to see the what is the running command on the switch and what is the port number. Okay.
All port configuration will show here.
Yeah. Yeah. Also see the what port is configured. It means that everything you will see there. Okay.
Okay.
Everything. Right
So show
now
run.
we didn't right now there is a no any configuration on the port, so you are
Hmm.
see only this port name. It
Okay.
interface part internet 0/14 only you are see, right?
Right.
You did not see the any configuration on the switch because there is a no any configuration. And this is the also default VLAN. VLAN 1
Hmm.
is the default VLAN, so you will see every VLAN. VLAN 1 on the switch, this is the default VLAN. Okay,
Mm.
and you also see the default VTP. We are not, we are not able to support it. If you want to configure the VTP line VTP 0 to 4, so after supported, if you configure the telnet या SSH, then you are able to log in the switch. So now we go to configuration mode. Supported, if you want to check the version, how can check? Bro, which command you will apply for check the version? Just show and put it the version. Okay, then you can
Okay.
see the
So
version. Yeah,
okay.
you see here, bro.
Yeah.
You see, yeah, you see. So Cisco IO software 3.5 C356. This is the model number, and you also see here. This is the iOS. Currently, iOS is running on this switch. iOS image, this one, and you also see this one version 12.2 12.12. I release the software. Okay, bro.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can see every information here. You also see the Ethernet MAC address. You also able to see the MAC address, right? And we also see the here everything, power supply part number, power supply serial number, model, and everything we can uh, get the information from.
Bro,
You also
if
see how, yeah, tell.
I want to see any device status,
Okay.
so you can check the status of the port
Yeah,
and
you
it
can
will,
also check the status. Just support that which
we can
status you
see the
want to
MAC
check.
address
Which
of the device.
status means which status you want to check on the switch.
Actually, I want to see the device is connected or not. So it will show
Hmm?
MAC address, no?
Okay. It
MAC
means
address दिखेगा ना?
नहीं, आपने कौन सा
I want
स्टेटस
to
चेक करना
trace.
चाहते
I
हैं?
want to
स्टेटस
trace.
बॉस, स्टेटस मींस
I want
तो
to
बहुत सारा
trace.
चीज का स्टेटस वी कैन
Bro, I
चेक
want
इट.
to
सपोज
trace
दैट
the
इफ यू वांट टू
device.
चेक द इंटरफेस स्टेटस, you also put the command.
No,
There are different command
actually,
for different status. So which
actually,
status you want to check?
I want to know from you if I want to see the status of any device, so how can I check and how can I identify which the device connected which port?
Okay, it means that you want to check the interface port status ki our this interface port is connected
We have the
to
MAC address,
another switch, yeah, another PC, which port is connected to the another. It means you want to see the interface status, right?
right?
Okay, so just you put the command so int interface and IP brief and एक
Brief.
second. So int IP brif brief. Maybe this command is not running. Give me 1 second. Just I open the our command. What is I saw that you. This is the my command. All command IP prepared. Actually, there are
Bro,
a lot of commands, so we
can you
can
share?
forget the. So I write it everything. So if you
Yeah.
want to support that, see the history. If you want to show command, show version. If you want to running configuration, show running configuration. If you want to show running configuration status, show flash. If you want to interface status, so just show IP interface bit. This command we can apply, then you can see that. And
Okay.
we apply here. We
Mhm.
apply 1 second. Just go to and show IP interface brief So you can see that. Okay. So now how many port we are working right now? You see here fast Ethernet 0
Yeah.
zero
It's
slash
CFI.
1. This is the unassigned. You see unassigned method status. This port
Can we
up.
see the MAC address also in? Can we see the MAC address port wise?
Yeah, we can also. Which MAC address you want to see?
एक्चुअली जैसे ये मेरे जितने भी पोर्ट है, जैसे इसने स्टेटस दिखा दिया अप डाउन का, तो ऐसे वो नहीं दिखा सकता कि ये अप दिखा रहा है और उस पे क्या मैक एड्रेस है?
अभी ब्रो आपने इस देखिए, अभी जैसे सपोर्टेड फास्ट इथरनेट 0/1 है। ओके, अभी देखिए
हम्म,
इस पोर्ट का स्टेटस जो है अप है। ओके, प्रोटोकॉल आल्सो अप है,
ठीक है।
मेथड अनसेट है, मतलब इस पे अभी कोई कॉन्फ़िगरेशन नहीं है, समझे?
नहीं है।
Yeah, right now we don't have any configuration on this port. So after configuration we can see here which configuration is running on the port. Okay, so suppose
ओके।
that this port is how many port of the switch? This is the 24 port. 24 port is the fast ethernet port and 2 port is the gigabyte port. So there are 2 port of the gigabyte ethernet 0/1 and gigabyte ethernet 0/2. This is the uplink port. Okay, so uplink port is also down. You asking me ki how can check the MAC address? So we are also able to check the MAC address. Okay, so we can
हम्म,
check it, MAC address, no issue. And suppose that uh, you want to, 1 second, where is my second, just to open it. And so here, so the MAC address table. Right now we don't have MAC address table. Why don't have, why there is a no MAC address table? What is the reason? Right now we didn't configure this switch. We didn't
दिस
assign the IP address. We didn't configuration the this this port also. We didn't right now configure the IP address here, right? After
राइट।
MAC address, when will we get this switch? Suppose that this is the PC. Suppose that PC number 1. Okay, PC will send the data on the this VLAN traffic. This is the VLAN 10, and VLAN 10 want to send the data VLAN 30. Okay, so VLAN 10 data traveling, data transmit and travel. So VLAN 10 data carry to firstly check the destination IP address. What is the destination subnet mask? So suppose that
ओके।
send the data and send the data here, this PC to switch number first, and switch number first will be checked the this data is which MAC address through transmit. It means the OSI layer, application layer, transport layer, physical layer, presentation
या
layer,
आई नो।
session layer. Yeah, everything it will be checked. After checking, okay, ICMP also check. Okay, so this will be checked. This data we don't find the here the suppose that suppose that just give 1 second, I explain you briefly. Suppose that 1 second, this PC 192.168 dot 10 dot 10 dot 10.1, this PC IP address, and this PC IP address 192.168.20.1, and this PC IP address 192.168.30.1. Okay, and this PC IP address 192.168.20.1. 10.1. This IP address is 192.168.10 dot, sorry, 20.1. And this IP address 192.168.10.1, not 30.1. Okay,
Okay.
30.1. So we can just change it. And why? Suppose that I change that 5. Okay, and this is the gateway, so IP I will change it 6. And this one 7, this one 8, this one 8, 9, this one this one 10. Okay, bro. Suppose that this IP address 192.168.10 dot. This PC data want to send the here. Suppose that 192.168.1 192.168.10.8. So this is the source. This is the source PC, and this is the destination PC. Okay. So data will be sent. This data will send. Suppose that we don't have configuration VLAN on this switch. So data will be sent. So data broadcast on the every port, and broadcast on the fast Ethernet 0/1. Also broadcast here fast Ethernet /2, fast Ethernet /3. It means the broadcast on the every port. Okay, bro. And after suppose that I configure the VLAN on this port and assign the also fast Ethernet 0/1. This port also assign the VLAN in the 10. That time data will check only this port and broadcast there, but their traffic is not too much load, and traffic is not consuming there. So send the data this PC will be checked. No, we don't have. You see here, this is the device
Yeah.
name and PC name and MAC address. Everything you can, it will be cover. Gateway, DNS, LAN number. You see,
Yes,
location,
I.
latency. Yeah, everything will be checked. So after that, yeah, after that separately data will be travel the separately data will only send the this PC, and this switch check the if where is the destination, where is the destination. First send the uh, ICMP protocol, send that data from that switch, and that switch also check this here is also created the VLAN. This switch also checked this destination IP address is there. So send to the data directly source to destination. So it
Destination.
means the, yeah, it means the not too much traffic is going on the switch. Data will be sending data will send separately on the separate for separate VLAN.
Okay.
So do you have any doubt regarding
No,
the VLAN? Now maybe I think clear the everything, right?
right.
So
So,
now we
but
can, yeah,
time is
tell me.
also gone.
Sorry.
Time is also gone, bro.
Yeah, maybe, yeah. Give me 5 minutes, just 5 or 7 minutes. Just I configure the VLAN and assign the
Okay.
port, and just for you, and we will continue full configuration tomorrow. So if you configure the full configuration, then it will be take more time. So just
Okay.
I just go to CLI mode, and
Mm,
go to configuration. Now, right now we are
Enable.
in the privilege mode. So go to configuration mode. So put the command config terminal. Okay. And now suppose that I create the VLAN 10. Put this command. Okay. Name. Which name? Sales. Okay. So we assign 4 cells. Okay. And
Okay.
suppose that interface. Which interface you want to add? Interface fast Ethernet 1. Yeah, first you create the VLAN, that is better. VLAN 20. Okay, this is the first. And this is the HR name. And
So
VLAN 30.
VLAN you are
Yeah.
creating.
And VLAN name. Name management. Okay. So now we created 3 VLAN on the switch where we will see. Now we can see do show VLAN brief. Do show VLAN brief. So now see here VLAN. You see here VLAN. VLAN name.
Yes.
This is the active VLAN. Default VLAN. All port now configured. All port now configure on the single VLAN. This is the default VLAN. This is the default VLAN. So all port right now in the default VLAN. And we
Okay.
created the VLAN cell, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. You see here VLAN 1,
Yeah.
VLAN 2, VLAN this is the 3. But right now we don't have any active port this VLAN, because right now we didn't assign any port on the VLAN for VLAN 10 या VLAN 20 या VLAN 30. Okay. So now we are assigning the port in the VLAN 10, VLAN 2, VLAN 30. Okay. So we are
So
now we are assigning. So just click put the command interface fast Ethernet 0y1. Okay. So switch port mode access. Put the command switch port mode access and go to switch port access VLAN. Which VLAN you want to assign? VLAN 10. Okay.
10.
So now we are assigned the port number VLAN 10. Okay.
Okay.
So
So
same
port 1.
you want to assign. Yeah. And go to exit, come back, and then you go to nav. Apply the same, put the same command interface fast Ethernet 0y2. Okay.
2.
Switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 30. Put the another command VLAN 20, right?
Right.
So now we assigned the VLAN 20 in the this PC. Okay, this port. And we also go exit. It means you run this command exit, then you will come back. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Same again. I run the command interface pass Ethernet 0y3 and switch port mode access and switch port access VLAN 30. No 30. This means VLAN. Which VLAN we are using? VLAN 30, right? Yeah. Now we are assigning the all 3 port in the separate VLAN. So we can see there. Now we can we run the show command do so do so run VLAN brief. 1 second. No. Do so VLAN brief. You can apply this command. After this command, you can see here. You can see.
Yes.
You see here.
Active.
This is configured in sales is active port number 1. HR active port number 2, management active, port number 3. You also see here, before you see there, this port 1, 2, 3. Right now, you did not
Default.
see in the default because now assign it the
1,
port
2, 3
in the
into the VLAN.
now because there is remove, because now we configured the port number 1, port number 2, port number 3 also configured in the cells for HR and management team.
Okay.
Okay, bro. So suppose that
Okay.
if you have suppose that VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. So VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30 data will be transfer carry to this switch to another switch. So we should configure the trunk, this interface fast Ethernet 0/4 and gigabyte 0 by 1/0 0 by 1. Both interface should be configured the trunk. Without trunk, we cannot able to travel this this
One
data. Yeah,
switch to another switch.
if you have the single VLAN, then we can able to that we can travel the data from this switch to another switch. But if you have the multiple VLAN on the single switch, so
So
should be
the
configure the
port.
uplink port as a trunk, without
Okay.
without rank, this port is could not travel the data.
Okay.
So got it?
Yes, got it, bro.
Yeah. So do you have any doubt regarding this VLAN and VLAN configuration? Yeah.
I I got everything.
So now you understand how to configure the VLAN, how to configure. Suppose that right now we assigned it only the this is the VLAN. Okay. If you want to suppose that I want to connect this port. Okay.
Hmm,
Port number
hmm,
1. I want to travel the data and voice both.
hmm.
Suppose that sometime I connect the fast Ethernet 0/1, sometime I connect the PC, and sometime I connect the phone. Okay, so I using
Okay.
on the single LAN, single cable, we are using the phone, and
Hmm,
we have a single port in my table and in my
hmm.
desktop, and we want to use the laptop, and we want to also use the telephone. Okay, it means if telephone. So how to without, because should be configure the two VLAN on the and assign the single port. So
Okay.
should yeah, suppose that bro,
So
suppose that some client we have required the only we want one port. Okay, and we should
hmm,
be configure the uh, logically two. One is the VLAN
two or more
and
device we
one is
can,
the sorry, you could, sorry.
एक पोर्ट से हम दो और थ्री डिवाइस भी वो कर सकते हैं डेटा शेयर.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल राइट, एब्सोल्युटली. बिकॉज सपोज दैट अभी हम लोगों के पास सपोज दैट एक डेस्कटॉप है. ठीक है, डेस्कटॉप एक डेस्क है, एक डेस्क पे एक स्विच से एक केबल आई. ठीक है, वहां पे मेरे पास एक पीसी भी है और एक टेलीफोन सिस्टम भी है, टेलीफोन भी है. ठीक है ना. तो अगर हमारे पास, मैंने चाहता हूं कि मैं कुछ टाइम के लिए मैं अपने लैपटॉप में कनेक्ट करूं और मैं अपने लैपटॉप को कनेक्ट करूं और मैं अपने टेलीफोन का भी कनेक्ट करूं. चाहे मैं मेरा ये थिंकिंग है कि मैंने सपोज डेट यहाँ से यहाँ एक मुझे केबल ऑलरेडी डाला हुआ है. मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि मेरा टेलीफोन में दो पोर्ट है. ठीक है, वो एक लैन का है, एक वैन का है. ठीक है, तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि एक तो मेरा ऑलरेडी टेलीफोन में मैं कनेक्ट कर देता हूँ और टेलीफोन से मैं अपने लैपटॉप में कनेक्ट कर देता हूँ, ताकि मुझे टेलीफोन भी चले और मेरा लैपटॉप भी चले. ठीक है,
तो
तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, मुझे इस पे दो VLAN क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा एक पोर्ट पे. सपोज डेट पोर्ट नंबर फास्ट इंटरनेट 0/1 है ना, तो इस पोर्ट पे हम क्या करेंगे, एक VLAN क्रिएट करेंगे. ठीक है, सॉरी, टू VLAN क्रिएट करेंगे, VLAN 10 या VLAN 20, और टू VLAN को हम सिंगल पोर्ट में असाइन कर देंगे. ठीक है ना. सिंगल पोर्ट में दोनों VLAN असाइन कर देंगे। एक VLAN तो असाइन कर देंगे डेटा के लिए और एक VLAN असाइन करेंगे वॉइस के लिए, ठीक है, ताकि हमारा
ओके
दोनों 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 डेटा डेटा है जो इजी ट्रांसफर हो सके और दोनों डेटा हमारा कम्युनिकेट कर सके और एज ए सेम टाइम।
ओके
So now I hope you clear this doubt, right?
राइट। सो
So do you have
टुमारो,
any doubt? And
नो,
yeah, we will continue by tomorrow, right?
टुमारो फ्रॉम हियर। तो क्या रह
Sorry.
गया अब कल के, इसमें क्या, इसमें कुछ है कल के लिए?
Yeah, if you want to study briefly, then there are a lot of things, but only you get the overview, then it is done. We can start next topic. But if you want to go briefly, so you can study maybe one more day. So no problem.
So,
We will. You can prepare that this thing, and you can also try to do itself. And if you get any doubt and any issue, you can let me
send
know,
me
and I will tell
all
you
the
later.
commands
Sorry.
ब्रो।
Yeah.
मुझे जो कमांड आपने जो नोट डाउन की हुई है ना, वो सभी है ना, वो मुझे एक बार सेंड कर देना व्हाट्सएप पे, देन आई
Okay, no
विल।
problem. I will share with you. Don't worry. So you should be try. You should be try it. Okay, and you should be
ओके
configure same. You create the same topology and you try to make and try to configure the VLAN and create the interface VLAN everything. And if you get the any issue in the configuration, then you will let me know later and we will help you. Okay.
ओके ओके ब्रो।
So we can close this session here and we will start tomorrow. And so tomorrow we will discuss about the next session. Okay. Thank you so much
ओके
for your time and thank you for your valuable time and consideration. So we can close this session here. Thank you.
ओके।
Okay. Good night. Bye bye. Take care.